fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the first day of July. James Spann here, and things are pretty quiet in the old office this afternoon. Let's look out the window. There's a look at the Skycam shot coming from Birmingham. A few fair weather cumulus clouds in the sky, but not much vertical growth. Pretty much the same thing down at Demopolis. That's looking right down the Tombigbee River. Right around the bend is the Demopolis Lock and Dam. Wouldn't it be nice to float all the way down that river to the beach? Mobile Bay, Gulf of Mexico. And Tuscaloosa, same looking sky there. That's looking east from the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. Nice trough over the east. The weather continues to be pretty cool up north. In the Great Lakes and Northeast region and around here, we've got low 90s, but again, the humidity not that bad. You can see that new surge of dry air dropping in to the northern half of the state. And yeah, dry air wins the battle. Despite a weak surface boundary passing through central Alabama, nothing out there today. And it looks like we'll stay dry tomorrow as well. Convective outlook for this afternoon and tonight. Slight risk of severe weather for the high plains and the northeast from Baltimore and Washington up to New York City. Day 2. Slight risk of severe weather for parts of New England around Boston. Also a slight risk of severe weather for parts of the High Plains states. And on day 3, pretty much the same part of the nation right there across the breadbasket. Day 3, of course, is Friday. There's the QPF chart. This is rain through Monday morning of next week. Through Monday morning at 7. Pretty heavy rain up over the Tennessee Valley. You got 1.5 inches there, but nothing from Montgomery and Demopolis down to Mobile. And no doubt the GFS is trending in that direction, but even the southern part of the state should see a much better chance of showers and storms, we think, by Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So, again, I'd probably beg to differ with that. Late in the weekend, I think even South Alabama gets wet. And the tropics, all is quiet, all is calm. We've got the old front over the Gulf producing heavy rain for parts of the Florida Peninsula, but no evidence of any tropical storm development there. Don't expect any for the next few days, including the holiday weekend, so beach goers will not have to worry about tropical storms, which is good. This is the 12Z GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow. There's the trough over the east, continuing. And again, we've got dry air, so again, sunny, a pleasant morning, but a pretty toasty afternoon. We'll be in the low 90s. Friday, we've still got that complex over Missouri we'll have to watch. That might get in here Friday night, but it sure looks like the daytime on Friday will be dry at this point. Saturday starting off the weekend, that's the 4th of July. The GFS is trending drier. No doubt about that. It keeps much of the state relatively dry Saturday, and if that keeps up, we'll back off on the chance of scattered storms. We'll leave them in there for now, but Sunday, the moisture improves, especially over the Tennessee Valley. And Monday looks like the entire state will see scattered showers and storms. So I still think the trend for the weekend is for an increase in the number of scattered showers and storms. No doubt it looks like the better opportunity could be Sunday into Monday. And there's Tuesday. Look at the trough over the Pacific coast. Around here, we got a westerly flow aloft, surface boundary north of us along Interstate 40. We stay south of that boundary, and that looks relatively wet. And Wednesday of next week, I'm telling you, boundaries just don't get below Interstate 20 that often in July. So hopefully early next week, first half of the week, we'll pick up some decent showers and storms because we could use that rain. Let's look up there at the middle of the month, see if that old 594 ring is there, and it's gone, thank goodness, but it might come back. Still, one way or the other, it's a heat ridge over the southeast, and again, that looks about what you'd expect to see there in mid-July. Hot, muggy, and there could be a storm around in spots. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.